Hi, everyone. My name is Del Pierson. I'm a physicist and sales engineer here at XMA Corporation, and I think we'll just jump right into kind of who we are and what we do. So XMA is a world leader in cryogenic coaxial interconnect solutions. This means that we make passive RF components. Most of our standard products look like the little silver guy down on the bottom left, and kind of our more high fidelity, newer products look a lot like the one on the right. We are vertically integrated, which means our engineering and manufacturing facilities are kind of right next to each other, so we can easily transition kind of low rate production or new products to high rate production. And that's done also through our AS9100 certification. And our end users are mostly cryostat manufacturers, design engineers, and research institutions. So we include a thin film in-house fabrication lab, and I'll get into that a bit more on the next slide because that's really our bread and butter. But we have an internal RF design engineering team, which is great. We focus on quantum applications and various other applications. And we have great quality standards, again, supported by that AS9100 certification, not directly related to quantum, but certainly helps our process run smoothly from engineering to manufacturing. We also have a knowledgeable sales and application engineering team, which I'm part of, which I really enjoy working with them. And they really help kind of connect the customer to our engineering team. Getting into things, we have our own resistive network lab, as I indicated before. So this includes thin film deposition and laser trimming. We work with a variety of substrate materials, which really helps kind of with thermalization and material science research there, along with our sputtering. We use a lot of nichrome, which I know is pretty key for this industry. So we love working with other industry leaders to improve thermalization through our lab. And that's something that makes XMA pretty special. So that's kind of how we do it, but in terms of what we do, we have a full suite of passive RF solutions. This includes attenuators, adapters, DC locks, couplers, power dividers. I'll stop there, but there's a few more. They all run from DC to 65 gigahertz with a variety of connectors, and we do room temperature to 10 millikelvin, so from the top to the bottom of the fridge. We have a variety of connector interfaces. So we do ribbon cabling, we do SMPMs, SMPs, SMAs, really kind of you name it, we can figure it out. And we do this through some high density multi-line components, such as the block that I pointed out before, and with discrete package sizes. So if your attenuation values need to change within your fridge, you can easily do that while keeping a high density component to it. All in all, this solves concerns with thermalization, and we do that again at the chip level through looking at the substrates and the different sputtering materials and through the outer conductor materials. So you'll see a lot of the kind of special products that I've pointed out are gold-plated copper, and we do a lot of material science research there to ensure that we're using kind of the best version of every material. We also look at the internal geometry of everything to make sure that the heat is trying to escape through the body of the attenuator rather than down the RF line. We also do a lot of scaling. Over to the right, you'll see another kind of high density block that has 8 ports in less than 1 square inch, which is something we're really proud of. And that helps kind of the industry get to that 1,000 qubit mark, which everyone is striving for. One issue that this does bring up is crosstalk, which is something we're very cognizant of. And we've done enough research on our blocks and tried different internal geometries to ensure that there is now no crosstalk happening in our blocks, so all of your lines stay discrete. One thing we're super excited about is our new IR filtering, and this kind of brings up the point of working with industry leaders. So a lot of different labs and universities came to us and they said, you know, we keep making these IR filters and they just keep breaking or not working how we want them to. And we said, well, okay, perfect. We're a manufacturer, we've got this in the bag. So we've been working really hard on this all year, and we're hoping they'll come out in Q1 of 2022. So look forward to that. All in all, this directly improves coherence times through our IR filtering, signal cleanliness through our thermalization. So you're really making sure that that line is not kind of gathering heat along the way, and computing power through our high density. Another thing we've been working on that we're excited to announce is our calibration standards. So again, we were approached by some labs and universities, and they described that they were having some issues knowing that their well-calibrated parts at room temperature were still well-calibrated at 10 millikelvin. So we've been working that with a variety of institutions and look forward to getting those out into the world as well. all in all, we're excited to kind of keep collaborating with industry leaders, and we're here today to kind of push home that that's what we want to do. As many products that we make and pump out, we want to hear from you and make for you. And we're excited to just kind of tell you what we do and about our new products. So thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Dell, and if you want to reach us, you can use quantum@xmacorp.com.
Great, thank you, Dell. Just one quick question, and Chris, get ready to present. One question on your IR noise reduction. Can you expand on that a bit? You're blocking infrared light, infrared radiation?
Yep, so a lot of black body radiation happens within these fridges. Well, not a lot because they're cold, obviously, but they are seeing some leakage from different levels. So we're using kind of an EcoZorb material in a special manufactured way that I can't talk too much about, but
Sure.
we're using that material to kind of block those particles coming in, and we'll definitely have more information for you as we roll out this product line.
Great, great. Thank you so much, Adele.